Hey everyone, I'm Konstantinos and this is Konstantinos Tech. I'm going to come right out and say it, and I am not a clear case person. I don't like how they get fingerprints, I don't like how they yellow, but I do love Spigen as a company. And although this isn't sponsored, I wanted to try this out. And more importantly, there are very few cases that offer protection for the camera control, something that I kind of want. Today we'll be looking at the Spigen Ultra Hybrid T. I've been using it for the last couple days. I ordered it in the graphite color, and as you can see, it comes with a camera control cover. Let's take a closer look. So they come in three colors: white, graphite, which is this one, and black. The black one does have a black border around it, but they didn't have it in stock, so I went with the graphite. As you can see, it has the camera control cover, which is a nice white, MagSafe with solid magnets, and it's pretty thin. Let's slap this on the phone and see how it looks. My first impressions of the phone is that it is surprisingly grippy. You can hold it and it is not slippery at all. And it doesn't collect lint just like the Apple silicone case. The buttons are super clicky. Let me get a... And the camera control works well enough that you can actually get some of the haptic feedback. So it's pretty nice. There's a lip on the front for increased razivity, as Floss would say, so it is Slamboy certified. I know that's patented to Floss, but I gotta honor it. As well as there's raised edges on the corners, so you can have a little bit less of a rocking device laying flat on the table. MagSafe is as strong as ever, so that's a plus, and there's no issues with wireless charging. As for weight, the weight of just the case alone is about 34 grams. And with the case on, it comes in at a total of 245 grams. So that was a quick look at the Spigen Ultra Hybrid T in graphite. Overall, it's pretty good for a clear case. Like I said before, I don't normally go for this, but options are limited for a camera control covered case. We'll see how it holds up in the long run, but I'd recommend it. It's surprisingly grippy. You can't see fingerprints as closely as other clear cases, and the price wasn't too expensive. It was $29.99 with a 5% discount. So substantially cheaper than the Apple case. Also, side note really quick, why are screen protectors and cases rising in cost so much? I mean, you're looking between $30 and $50 for a decent case or screen protector. It's getting pretty expensive. Also, I want to point out that the Apple clear case doesn't have a bottom edge, and that just drives me crazy. Why pay $50 to get a case that doesn't fully protect the device? That's the Spigen Hybrid Ultra T. I'd recommend it. Let me know if you end up picking up one yourselves. If you've learned anything in this video, please give it a like, and if you'd like to see more, make sure to subscribe. This is Konstantinos with Konstantinos Tech. Thanks for tuning in.